Welcome. In today's guide, we're going to walk through how to enable alert notifications for incoming calls on Messenger. If you've been missing calls because you're not getting proper alerts, don't worry. This simple process will fix that right away. Just follow along step by step, and by the end, your phone will be set up to notify you every time someone calls you through Messenger. First, start by opening up your phone's settings. This is where you can manage everything related to your apps and notifications. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down or search for the option called Apps. This section gives you control over all the applications installed on your device. From the list of apps, look for Messenger and tap on it. This will bring up Messenger's app settings where you can adjust permissions, storage, data usage, and most importantly, notifications. Now tap on the option labeled Notifications. Here you'll see all the ways Messenger can send alerts to your device. To take it a step further and customize the specific type of alerts, select Notification Categories. This is where you can fine-tune the kinds of notifications you want to receive. Inside the categories, look for incoming calls and tap on it. This is the setting that controls how your phone handles call notifications from Messenger. If it's set to silent or minimized, you may not notice when someone is trying to reach you. To fix this, select the option labeled Alert. This ensures that whenever you get an incoming Messenger call, your phone will play a sound, vibrate, or use your chosen alert style to grab your attention. And that's it. You've successfully enabled alert notifications for incoming calls on Messenger. Going forward, you won't miss important calls because your phone will notify you properly every single time. If you ever want to adjust your notification style, simply head back to Settings, go to Messenger, and make changes anytime you want. Keeping these alerts turned on is a great way to stay connected with friends, family, or colleagues who contact you through Messenger. Thanks for watching.